Deep beneath the ocean, a predator awakens. It costs $3 billion. It can stay submerged for 20 years. This is not just a machine. It is the ultimate stealth weapon. Welcome to the birth of a nuclear submarine.
The structural integrity holds even under peak load simulation.
And the reactor status remains optimal. We are ready for phase 2.
We have full stabilization.
Copy that. Proceeding with the rotation sequence.
Data stream looks good from here.
We have a rapid spike in the secondary coolant loop. We're approaching critical levels in the core.
That contradicts the flux schematic. We need immediate sensor verification.
It begins with fire and pressure. High-yield steel is forged to withstand crushing depths, where a single millimeter of error means instant implosion. Watch as the beast takes its shape.
Lower it slowly now. Watch the alignment. Clear on this side. Keep coming down.
The heart of this beast doesn't beat with blood, but with uranium. This reactor powers the vessel for decades without ever refueling. It is infinite energy trapped in a steel cage.
Slow lift on 2. All right, she's seated. Hold it there.
silence is survival. The hull is covered in tiles to absorb sonar, turning the sub into a black hole in the water, driven by the golden silent drive. Inside the hull, a mechanical city comes to life. Miles of cables and pipes turn a cold steel tube into a living, breathing organism.
Pressure is holding steady at 2,000 psi.
Hidden within the spine lie the teeth, a payload capable of changing the world map in minutes. It is the ultimate deterrent.
Banking left, slight descent.
Adjusting trajectory for the canyon approach.